What's up, YouTube? This is your EDC pastor here. I'm back again. This time I want to do something a little different. I'm just going to do a straight up tool review. I've been so excited. I ordered this several weeks ago from Acme Tools, and I'm excited to finally get it in. I haven't got a chance to use it yet, but I literally just opened it up out of the package. This is Klein Tools' new ratcheting ball grip screwdriver. You can see the part number there on the package, 32960ARCHT. So before we get into this, please like, subscribe, and comment. I love getting your guys' comments on how you feel, your great suggestions. I've enjoyed so much chatting back and forth with you guys. I plan on making some suggestions. As you can tell, I got the kit that my truck tool kit right here. That's where this screwdriver is going to go because I want to put it through its paces over the next little while and see how I feel about it. But let's get into it. So I've really enjoyed it, just opening the package, just looking at it first and foremost. I'm a very big fan about screwdrivers that have multi-functions. In a traditional tool belt situation, having a standard screwdriver that, is either a solid tang, like all the way through screwdriver, or just it doesn't have removable bits. If you want the strength, maybe you want to pry on it or something, is great. But for the essence of what I normally do, I'm carrying stuff in very small type of kits or pouches, and the ability to have something that can do a lot of different things really is pretty amazing. So I love, first and foremost, that these bits are removable. I love that it works with just about any bit. I mean, it works pretty well with just about anything. And so, like, even this little ratchet attachment that I have look, I can use this as a ratchet, and it is solid. It ain't going anywhere. I mean, it's got a little bit of play in it, but man, next to nothing. I love the fact that the lock is a pullback to release, so you don't accidentally choke up on a screwdriver and release your screwdriver and release your bit by accident. So you have to intentionally pull back on it. I really love how it feels in the hand, and I can't tell you, this motion with the ratchet of being able to turn it is fantastic. It actually brings one of my favorite features about most precision screwdrivers, because being an IT guy, I do precision screwdrivers most of the time, but it brings pretty much the best action for me, and that's the idea that I can just turn it, because the back is just going to stay still. It feels really good, so I can really groove with putting the screws in very well. I love the grip, feels really comfortable in my hand, actually. I love the size of it. It's not incredibly large. If I take this out, as you can tell, I can sit that right down in there. It is nice. It's not incredibly large. It fits very well in the kit, so I'm very happy about that. This fits majority of what I would look for, especially. And I've never owned a ball screwdriver before. This would be the first, and so this is going to be a little bit different for me. But I can already tell I like the way my hand feels on it, and I have not necessarily bear paw like hands, but decent size hands, I'd like to think, and it fits really good in my hand. I love the turning action. I love the idea that the ratcheting mechanism turns based on the direction you're going to be turning, so you don't have to worry about accidentally unclicking or changing the setting, because if I'm turning this way, that's the way that the lock is going to go, so I'll never accidentally turn it back the other direction. So it works really well in that regard, and it feels just really comfortable. I'm sure there's probably a little bit of back drag on it, but you know what? I'm not gonna crucify them over this, but it just feels really good. And so I'm gonna put this through its paces. I've never had one before, but I'm excited to give it a try. Everyone's been raving about it, and so I figure, why not? Let's pick it up, let's throw it on the channel, and let's just put it through its paces. So you know what? This kit goes with me everywhere. I'm using this thing at least once a week, if not multiple times a week. Hanging picture frames, mirrors, all those kinds of things. And I'm doing work with it at work. I'm taking that as an active toolkit for my job most of the time. And so I'm putting servers together, computers together. I'm building server racks, all that stuff, and I'm going to put it through its paces. And I'm just going to see how it goes. And I'll release another review at a later date, and I'll give you my 100% honest opinion on whether or not it was something that I would carry. But it is something I'm going to put in the kit for now. And I'm going to ride with it and see how it goes. But if you would, please like, subscribe. Tell me what you think about it. Maybe you bought one of those ratcheting ball screwdrivers from Klein. Tell me what you think. Give me your opinion. Whether you like it, dislike it. What are the pros and cons about it? Just put them in the comments. Let's have a conversation. And let's see what everybody thinks. But so far, just pulling it out of the package and just holding it in my hand, doing some small tasks with it, I'm really liking the fit. I'm really liking the comfort level of it. I'm liking the versatility that I get with it. I can use all of my same flip sockets from Klein with it. It doesn't change anything. Now I'll just pivot my tiny ESD screwdriver to mainly as a ratchet, and I'll use this and see how it goes. But again, it's a pleasure getting to do this. I appreciate y'all's comments, and as always, live ready.